So here in JB Academy, even the director ma'am, there is an effort. We try by sharing our experiences, by calling other guests. We try to prepare the students to meet the challenges which are outside.
Hello everyone, I'm Soumya Mishra of class 9A studying in JB Academy, Ayodhya. Today with us we are very esteemed and respectable guest Miss Anjali Khare, who is also former biology teacher of JB Academy. She has dedicated 30 years of her life in teaching career and has served very efficiently JB Academy. Apart from that, her teaching techniques also help students to attain confidence, attain clarity in their concepts, and has made them more focused towards their goals. We are very glad to have you here, ma'am. Welcome. So I'll start with my first question.
Sure.
My first question to you is, can you tell us a little bit about your background and what inspired you to pursue your career in biology?
Actually, I come from a family where academics were given utmost importance. And even that time, can you imagine, my mother was also highly educated and father was busy in an administrative service. So we all were under the guidance of our mother. But side by side, she never pressurized to opt a particular subject. She gave me also full choice to select the stream, because in the UP board that time we used to select the stream right from class 9. So I remember that when I was going to school that day, the first day of 9th, even I was confused. Which stream should I choose? Whether I should go for humanities or science? My mother said, okay, while on the way to school, you just think of which subject do you love more. Then I thought of history, geography. I was scared. I thought I will study science and biology, and then I chose science.
You made a very right decision. My second question to you will be, what was your journey like from being a student to becoming a teacher now here?
After my marriage, I had to come to Faizabad. Then there were very few opportunities. So it took little time. For a few years, I had to stay at home. Then I joined PhD. Side by side, I got an opportunity to work as a part-time teacher. And then finally, I came to JB Academy. And I chose teaching because basically my husband is from teaching fraternity. So that was good for me because he had to stay here. So I thought, let me also take up the teaching job. And and still after many years of retirement, for a short duration of time, I'm back here to my school. So I'm feeling happy.
You are a very great teacher.
Oh, that is Soumya, too much.
Next question. What is your teaching philosophy and how do you incorporate it into your personal life, or I'll say biology class?
But the very first thing, I must tell you that whosoever is sitting in my class, all the students are same for me. I think that so far I haven't shown any kind of any special attention, or you can say a kind of favoritism bias to any of the student. So I try, because whosoever is there, all are here to me. All are equal to me. And then my effort is to give them the fundamentals, because fundamentals are very important and these fundamentals help in competitive exams. Secondly, I try to relate with the daily life situations, and especially my subject is such that easily it can be related.
Ma'am, so could you share some memorable moments of your time when you used to teach?
Whenever my children did well, that gave me tremendous joy, happiness. And long time back, one of my students, who at present is a senior scientist in Melbourne. So after class 12, he joined Hansraj College, Delhi, as a he joined zoology honors. So after 2-3 months, when he came to Faizabad, he came to meet me. Then I was just asking how are your studies going on. And then he told, ma'am, in these 2 months, all the teachers, they started recognizing me and they asked, who taught you biology in class there and that way? So that really gave me immense happiness that okay, that means I am on the right track. And even the professors of Hansraj College and wherever my students went, they told me that ma'am, we are no less than anybody. And the best part that in JBA, not only in my subject, in other subjects also, that means we give lot of emphasis to practical work.
So what do you believe the school plays in preparing students for their higher education?
Obviously, that means all the basics, everything, lessons of life you are learning in your school. So here in JB Academy, even the director ma'am, there is an effort. We try by sharing our experiences, by calling other guests, we try to prepare the students to meet the challenges which are opposite. And the exposure, the kind of exposure which is given here in JV Academy, definitely I am impressed with that.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Soumya.
It was a very fruitful session and I'll keep all your lessons in my mind. Thank you very much.
Thanks.